Good night, dear viewers. At 7 p.m., it is processed to share in the newsletter your family. The vaccine allied at the end of the pandemic. In, in the first news today, the speed of creation of the vaccine. Can we trust the vaccine created so quickly? This vaccine has been created in record time. But according to its creator, this does not imply that the process has not been rigorous and that the usual steps have not been followed. Clinical trials are divided into three phases. The first happens to be to confirm the safety of the drug. This basic aspect is confirmed in the second and third phase of the trials. 40,000 of people have already participated, and from what is being seen in the world, we are on a fact that gives us hope. In more news, fast vaccine. The development of traditional vaccines can take 15 years or more. The question is raised that if it takes at least 10 and 15 years to create and verify a vaccine, why should we trust one that has barely been created in a maximum of a year? It also comes to mind if the job process is followed to create and verify vaccines, with skipping steps. The same fact and false news this is seen on the internet make society distrust the vaccine and make the decision not to get vaccinated. This fear might affect use or not let use think things clearly, but experts advise that we give this vaccine a try. In the latest news, my opinion of the vaccine. My opinion is that the vaccine is not the only option, but it is the best. Since many people are scared and stressed in confinement, this news is somewhat hopeful. Although we can and must continue to comply with biosecurity standards to stay safe from COVID-19, we must also choose the vaccine as an option. Finally, this vaccine has been recommended by experts, and something that gives truth to the effectiveness of this vaccine is that it has not been created by a few but by thousands of scientists and doctors around the world. To conclude, we must trust the vaccine science. It may be the most feasible way to get out of this situation, but we must not trust ourselves and after vaccinating. Continue to take care of ourselves. See you tomorrow, dear viewers. This has been his news program, Your Family. Thanks.